The crochet is painful. What? Yeah, crochet is not painful, but according the way you handle it, yeah, maybe it could be painful. Yeah, you can see myself just doing the small kids. How old are you? How old are you? 6 years. Yeah, the kid is just 6 year old, you know. But now the people say that the crochet is painful. Hey, what? Why I'm doing the 6 years? Huh? People, people. If you don't know, you don't know. Yeah, stay true. Yeah, man, just follow me there in the YouTube channel. Shotgun 9mm, my name. Yeah, no edit, no what. Everything Chris.